Hola, yo soy Pao. ¿Y RJ?
Coming. And I'm here.
And who are you?
I am little Kylo.
Kylo. ¿Por qué Kylo?
Because I love the name and I got it from YouTubers.
From YouTubers. ¿De qué película?
Star Wars.
Star Wars. ¿Y cómo se llama tu canal?
RJ Extreme. If you're looking for it, RJ-Extreme, but without the E at the beginning.
Ok, muy bien. Pero hoy día no vamos a hablar de Star Wars, right?
Yes, but I just like the name.
Ok, hoy día vamos a hablar de
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man. Okay, this Lego is called Spider-Man No Way Home, right?
Yes.
Okay, and it has how many pieces?
198 pieces.
197 piezas para niños de 7 años y más. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú?
7, but it's also for 6 years old.
Okay, entonces sí, para los papás y las mamás, para que pongan esto juntos. Bueno, esta cajita se abre así.
Like a computer.
Like a laptop. So you take the pieces, you put it together. I didn't put it together, but here it is. So this is the drone. RJ, what about the drone?
And you can fire it.
Oops. Okay. And RJ is going for the darts. How are they called?
They are called cannons.
Okay. Él va a buscar no sé qué piezas. Y aquí está Spider-Man.
I like to call him Spooderman.
¿Por qué?
Because it's a funny name that he's Spooder.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Y esto tiene una tapa aquí que no sé para qué es, pero esto se supone que es el drone.
And this is the window, and if you want to open the window, it's just showing his body. It's not showing his entire body like this.
Okay.
But if you wanted, you don't even have to take out the window. You can just blink.
Es como que si fuera una cabina. Okay, got it.
Cabin,
Y aquí tiene las hélices. ¿Cómo se dice hélices en inglés?
Helicopters or propellers.
Okay. Y aquí,
And
¿qué
in
más?
the old ones, they couldn't move that much. They could only move boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
And then in the back, you can open this, and then they have like a little secret case there. And this web, it's like, so if someone is like holding on, whee,
I see. Oh, I believe I can fly.
and then the next feature are we showing you of the vulture. So you can like do this, wee. I can fly. You can put it down. He can go up. He can go left or right. He can fold his.
Y le puedes sacar el muñequito.
And you can I have to chop his head off.
A ver, sácalo, no importa, enséñale. Aquí está la cabeza.
That's not the head.
Entonces, ¿qué es
That's
esto?
the helmet.
Oh, este es el casco. Pero déjame enseñar. Ok,
I
ahí
need the
está.
glass. And here's the glass that
Ok.
attaches.
Viene con un... No sé cómo se dice esto. Pero bueno, viene con esto. Ahí están las dos
And then
piecitas.
we have the air, so if he goes super high, he can breathe. And there's his bald head. And then this is how you take it off. It's very easy. Just take apart his head and then slide.
Do you like this set?
Yes.
So-
I got it for Christmas.
For Christmas?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. When did you put it together?
I put it in right before I went to go see my cousin's house.
Okay. So again, this is the Lego No Way Home. The Spider-Man's Drone Duel. 198 piezas. Really nice. Yeah, that's our review.
And a comment down below if you can understand her voice. And also comment if you are going to get a different kind and different Spider-Man Lego set like this one. Comment down below which one you're going to get and which one you really want. And make sure to subscribe and like the video. And the next video, at the end of the video, we are going to show you our 2 dogs. Their names are Theo and Cookie.
Yes,
And
we're
that's
going
the
to do
end
that.
of our video.
Okay,
Peace
bye.
out until then. See you in the
Bye.
next episode.
Bye.